Okay. Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome to another video. Thanks for tuning in. So today's going to be a how to change your oil on a Honda CM450E. If you have like a dual twin Honda from the late 70s and 80s, it's all basically exactly the same. So if you have an old dual twin Honda, you're going to want to watch this video if you're going to change your oil. A few things you're going to need. You're going to need an oil pan, you're going to need a 17mm wrench, and a 12mm wrench or socket wrench. I prefer to use a socket wrench, doesn't matter, whatever you prefer. Then you're gonna also want a funnel to pour your oil in, and then you need 2.6 quarts of 10W40. So make sure you have all that together, and then also a bike manual helps a lot to do when you're working on your bike, but I'll also post like screenshots of the bike manual for the CM450, which is the same for the 400Ts and then the CBs as well. So if you have any of those bikes, this video is for you. All right, stay tuned. Cheers. Got my oil pan that I'm going to slide under. 17 mil on the drain plug right here. There we go. Alright, let that drain for a moment. This is going to be harder to show, but I'll put the bike manual on the screen so you can kind of see what I'm doing right now. But there's a little like oil filter cover and a oil bolt. And then there's like a O-ring on that bolt and a gasket, which I'm going to replace. You can almost kind of see the filter. So this is the cover, the filter cover right there. There's a bolt in the middle of this, and then you can kind of see the filter. So I'm going to pull that cover off, and then I'll be able to take the filter out. Okay, there we go. So we've got a spring and a washer. So we're going to replace that O-ring, and we're going to replace this gasket here. That was pretty easy.
That's what she said. We're
going to put that in just like that. Same thing, we're going to pop this old O-ring off. Oh yeah, I can definitely tell this O-ring's worn out. It's like really stretchy and feels brittle. I literally feel like I'm putting a condom on right now. So now this is going to go through here, through the bottom, and then the spring goes on here. Okay, and then the last thing after the spring, filter, just like so. Okay, now this is ready to go back on the bike. Right way, yeah. Now the drain bolt. Okay, so now we put the oil in. Take this plug off. The manual calls for 2.6 quarts.
Now we're just riding it to test it out after the oil change. Another thing I wanted to do while I was out on a ride is I wanted to shout out Mason from Gold Guy. I've been watching that guy on YouTube for literally like 5 years or so. He's a super awesome dude, and he actually makes like pretty similar content to me. Like he's been doing Cafe Racer and Scrambler builds for a while, and he's got a Kawasaki KLX now, so he's doing some trail riding videos. We just wanted to shout him out. Mason, you're an awesome dude. Love your content. If any of you guys are interested, you should go check them out. It's quality content. I'm stoked to be back on the bike again.
Alright, that's going to do it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video. And if I can build a bike, then so can you. Cheers.